friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to a short, kind of eclectic, very weird haul video from me. Um, the purpose of this haul video is not actually, well, I mean, I do want to show some of these cool items I got over the past 2 days, but I also want to thank some people. And I figured, why not do a haul and a thank you all in one? Um, I got this the other day, and I've been waiting to open this. So this is the Inspector's Tote Bag that I won from Trisha Sandy and Otto's 1,000 subscriber giveaway. This is the cutest tote bag I think I've ever gotten. Look at these dogs. Okay, so not only is this really cute, this bag is big and it's very functional. It even has a little snap button here, which, you know, you don't normally have those with tote bags. So this is a really, really nice, high quality tote. And Trisha, I cannot wait to use it when I go thrifting, maybe tomorrow, but definitely sometime next week I will be using this. I think it's so cute. I love this bug right here. Oh my gosh. I love all of it. And at some point I'm going to have to get the cat one as well. And I do need to get the elephant. I don't remember if the elephant is just a sticker, but the elephants love shipping peanuts concept is adorable in general. So congratulations again, Trisha, and we are so excited to have you join us for our Tuesday night sale. It's at 7 Eastern on Gina Vintage Digs YouTube channel. It will be a three-way sale with me, Trisha, and Gina, and I'm so excited about it. Trisha is an amazing person, and she has some great items in all of her sales, so y'all need to make sure you tune in for that because it's going to be a lot of fun. And then the following night, Wednesday, I will be doing my Wednesday night late sale, night owl sale. And our special guest this week, it's always with me and Gina, but we've been having special guests when we can, is going to be Christina from Lilac's Vintage Life, Christina Gonzowski. And I picked this up yesterday for her. So I went to an estate sale and I went to a couple garage sales on my way home from it. And I picked this up for her. I don't even know if she's seen the pictures that I sent her of this yet. I don't know much about it, but I think it could possibly, you know, be worth something. I'm hoping it's something that Christina doesn't have already. But if she does have it, I'm sending it to her anyway because I think it's cool and I got it for her. I can't wait to sell with her. She is one of my favorite people that I've met in this community, and we're going to have a lot of fun on Wednesday night. So make sure you're there. Again, about 10:30 Eastern, we go on after Katie Vintage and Vinyl is finished with her show and tell live. So we'll be watching that, and as soon as Katie's done, we'll be going live. And like I said, it's going to be a lot of fun. The three of us, I'm sure, are going to have an amazing time. Speaking of the three of us, so I got this for Gina. I hope that Sue and Thomas are watching this because I think out of everyone, they'll appreciate this doll the most. So Gina has a knack for finding the weird and crazy things. So I went to this estate sale, had some cool stuff, but it also had a lot of strange dolls. I'm not judging here. I just don't quite understand when people have dolls that are dressed in actual baby clothes and, you know, they have an entire room devoted to that. I mean, seriously, I'm not judging. I have so many geek things that I do, but I don't quite get it. So there were a bunch of cute, you know, baby dolls in there, and then there was this. Oh my gosh. So she is super creepy. I think she's Bisque. Pretty sure she is. And it looks like she was a project that never got finished. But I don't think you should tell her that. I think she might judge you and want to kill you. So a funny story about this doll, when I brought her in yesterday, our dogs were scared of her, as well as cats. The three cats. I didn't even have to move the doll, and they didn't like her. Our dog Rocky started barking as soon as she came in the door. And of course I had to torment him with this doll and kind of chase him around. And he doesn't like her. I kind of don't blame him, but when I saw this, I had to get this for Gina. She has not been feeling well, and we need to send her as much healing mojo as we can because she needs to be back to herself soon. We miss her way too much. But anyway, I picked this doll up for her. Like I said, I don't know anything really about dolls, but I liked her because she was creepy, and I thought Gina would get a kick out of her. Um, she still has some thread here, so I think she was a project that just never got finished. Like I said, she is bisque here too, but the rest is cloth. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm lying to you. Her arms are part bisque. Anyway, she's pretty creepy, but I had to get her for my Gina. And Gina, if you're watching this, I love you, honey. And it's even being the chats without you is not the same. Like, I don't know. I just miss you. Okay, so I also picked up this. I got this today. So Rick was so sweet to me today. You know, since the disaster happened on Wednesday night, Rick has been really helpful, you know, in wanting to help me replace some of my items. And one of the items that got destroyed was an ass that Gina got me. It's one of the first gifts I received. Well, it's the first gift I got from Gina, but it was one of the first gifts I ever received from anyone in the community. And I was so sad when it broke on Wednesday night. But I got this ass instead. This guy is so cute. As you can see, he is a lamp. Now, I haven't had time to test him yet or clean him, but he's absolutely adorable. And if he doesn't work, first of all, I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep him. You can try to convince me to sell him if you want, but you're probably not going to have much luck in that. If he does not work, I kind of think he does. It looks like he was pretty well taken care of, but I probably will take him to get repaired because I think he's so cool. And look, he's also a planter. Oh my God, I just love this donkey. There's no words for how much I love this donkey. So that reminded me of Gina as well. Let me move this tiki mug. Okay, so I picked these up. So at the same estate sale as the doll, they did have quite a bit of other items. And so I went on the first day and I saw these beautiful Noritaki glasses. There was a whole set, like 18 of them, and they were in excellent shape. But they weren't on sale because it was the first day. I thought about these damn glasses all night long, you know, Thursday night into Friday morning. So as soon as I was functional after, you know, several cups of coffee, I got in the car and drove back to this estate sale. Now, mind you, it's been 100 degrees every day this week. So getting all these glasses and other items like this doll into my car, it took 4 loads. The people running the estate sale were too busy to help. And there was a really nice older gentleman that offered to help, but he had a walker and I didn't think he should be helping me. So it took me 4 loads to get all my items out, and I was drenched by the time I was done with that. I'm not ready for summer in Texas this year, y'all. It's too much. But I can't remember now. I don't know if there were 9 of each. I kind of doubt that. I'm sure maybe a glass got broken along the way. But like I said, there were 18 total, and I was very excited to get them. I also, at a different estate sale on Friday, they did have a few brooches, and I just wanted to show this one because I think it's awesome. This poodle, I'm not sure if this will be in my live sale on Tuesday or Wednesday, or if it'll come in our jewelry sale if we have it on Monday. I'm just kind of waiting to see how Gina's feeling, but we have been doing jewelry sales every Monday morning around 10 a.m. Eastern. So if Gina's up to it, we may be doing that. And Angela's going to have us on the calendar under miscellaneous, just in case Gina's feeling well enough. But I just had to show this. I also need to show this because Trisha is the one that alerted me via one of her live sales that brooches can glow. Check this out, y'all. This has such a magnificent glow. Oh my gosh. It's probably not showing up very well. Yeah, it is. Look at this. I've been checking my jewelry every time I get back or go to an estate sale, if I remember to bring my black light. But I did bring it today, and I did pick up some other pieces. I'm going to do another longer haul tomorrow. Like I said, it's been really hot. I'm tired. I just wanted to get this quick little thank you / haul video out. But anyway, check this out. This is so cool. This is not marked, but it's in good shape. It's huge too. See, here's my hand, and here's how big the brooch is. I'm so glad I picked that up. I did not have my black light when I got that. I just thought it was, cool. Okay, so everything crashed. Like I said, if you haven't seen my post or heard me, cry about it, I'm sorry. I keep talking about it, but it's just, it's hard to lose so many items that you love all at once like that. It was tragic. And again, I know it could have been a lot worse. It could have been, that I got hurt or another person or one of the animals. So thank goodness nobody got hurt. But as soon as it happened, Angela, and Gina both reached out and wanted to help me replace some of the items that got hurt. And I'm talking that night, Angela got on eBay and got a couple items for me. And this one came today. This Tonala duck is absolutely beautiful. I think I like him more than the other ducks that I had because, he's absolutely beautiful. He is signed here, and I need to do a little bit more research about him. But I love this duck. Look how beautiful he is. So much detail. And Angela, I cannot thank you enough. It was so sweet of you to immediately, want to help me replace my items. And I'm so grateful that I have you and that you understand. And of course, Gina too. Gina wanted me to make a list that night as well. I didn't do that. I know that everybody wants to help, but, I'll just find them on my own. And I'm very grateful for what I've gotten so far and what I know is coming. But, part of the thrill is finding items on your own. And it'll mean even more to me if I find it for a second time. You know what I mean? So this is different though, because each piece of Tonala is different. And oh my God, look at that eyebrow. Major eyebrow. Oh, just love it. And while I was talking about Angela, I wanted to show you guys this shirt. So Angela started helping me and Gina, pretty soon after we started selling, if not pretty much immediately. And we had come up with, or Gina had, I guess, the Crazy Kitschy Crew. And Angela immediately jumped in and made this t-shirt. And I finally got it. I ordered, it is from Spring Tea. I cannot talk. And I got this one. This is like the V-neck. Y'all, it's really soft. And of course, look how cute and kitschy it is. I cannot wait to wear this. I'll definitely be wearing it. I might wear it 2 days in a row next week. Hope that's okay. But while I'm showing this awesome shirt, I want to let you know, in case you don't already know, but Angela's doing her first live sale tomorrow night at 10 Eastern. And I believe Katie will be on there with her. She has some really amazing items that she has picked up ever since she decided to join us in this crazy vintage resellers world. So be sure to tune in. It'll be fun, even if you don't want to buy anything. We'd just love to have you there in the chat. Come support Angela. She's definitely supported everyone in this community, keeping up with the calendar, going into chats and doing everything that she does. Let's show her some love tomorrow, guys. Okay, that's it for my short little haul. Like, this is short for me. I normally babble on and on and on. But again, I just kind of wanted to say thank you to everyone. And those of you that have reached out, there's so many of you, thank you. Christina is one of them. I really do appreciate it. Everyone in this community understands what it's like when something like that happens. So I'm just grateful. I'm grateful I met you guys, and I love ya. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this little haul. If you can, go ahead and leave a comment, share, give a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribing to me. I'm assuming you are if you're watching this, but in case you're not, make sure you are, and feel free to share my channel with your friends. I would really appreciate that. I am going to do a giveaway. I know I keep talking about it, but I will definitely be posting about it and announcing it during, I think I'll do it during my Wednesday night sale. I'm getting up there in followers, and I want to do a giveaway just to thank everybody. Okay, guys, I hope everyone has a great rest of their weekend. I'm assuming a lot of y'all are watching Miss Pamela, which you should be. And of course, after that is Trisha, Sandy, and Otto. Make sure you watch her sale tonight too. Like I said, she does great sales. She's long sales, and she has amazing items. She picked up some cool stuff this week, y'all. Just saying. Okay, have a great rest of your weekend, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.